Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today's case, you. Feeling a little beta? We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock your inner alpha and attract women naturally? That's right, fellas. Forget the cheesy pickup lines and forced compliments. Today we're cracking the code on authentic attraction. So, grab a notebook, because we're about to dive deep into the psychology of attraction and transform you from beta to badass. First things first, let's ditch the outdated alpha male stereotype. It's not about dominance or aggression, it's about confidence, self-belief, and radiating an aura of inner strength. Here's the secret. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin. They want someone who exudes confidence without needing constant validation. So, how do we cultivate this natural alpha energy? Here are some key strategies. Master your body language. Stand tall with your shoulders back. Make confident eye contact. And smile genuinely. Confident body language is a universal language that speaks volumes before you even say a word. Project an aura of openness and approachability, but avoid appearing stiff or closed off. Sharpen your communication skills. Be an active listener and express yourself clearly. Ask thoughtful questions that show genuine interest in the woman you're talking to. Women appreciate men who can hold a conversation that goes beyond superficial topics. Learn to articulate your thoughts and experiences in a compelling way. A well-told story or a passionate discussion about your interests can be far more captivating than a string of compliments. Develop your social skills. Stepping outside your comfort zone and connecting with new people is a powerful way to build confidence. Join a club, take a class, or volunteer for a cause you care about. The more comfortable you become in social settings, the easier it will be to strike up conversations with women and develop your interpersonal skills. Remember, confidence thrives on interaction, so put yourself out there and practice engaging with others. Embrace personal growth, invest in yourself, pursue hobbies and interests that set your soul on fire. Learn new skills, take online courses, or challenge yourself with a personal project. Becoming a well-rounded individual with a passion for life is incredibly attractive. Women are drawn to men who are interesting, engaged, and constantly striving to be their best selves. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore new things. Remember, confidence isn't about arrogance or bragging. It's about self-assuredness and self-worth. It's knowing your value and owning it. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the confidence you radiate will be magnetic. By focusing on personal growth, communication, and social skills, you'll naturally develop that magnetic alpha energy. Women will be drawn to your confidence, not because you're trying to impress them, but because you're genuinely intriguing. So, are you ready to ditch the beta label and become the alpha version of yourself? It all starts with believing in yourself and taking action. Leave a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to attracting women? Until next time, this is the Mind Detective, signing off.